Hello viewers, in this module we are going to discuss the structure of the atmosphere. Children, like the lithosphere, the atmosphere also formed by different layers. Thus, our atmosphere has a layered structure as the concentration of different gases vary with their height from the Earth's surface. The dense and heavy gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. are near the Earth's surface, while the lighter gases are found at higher altitudes. Now, based on temperature, the atmosphere is divided vertically into 5 layers. You can see that in the picture also. Now, these 5 layers are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Now, we'll have brief description of each layer. Troposphere. This is the lowest yet the most important layer of the atmosphere. It extends to a height of about 8 km at the poles and 18 km at the equator. Now, being closest to the earth, this is the densest layer of the atmosphere. And you know, all weather related phenomena like clouds, fog, rainfall, hail, storm, lightning, etc. take place in this layer. Here, the temperature of air decreases with increasing height at the rate of 1 degree Celsius for every 165 meters. This is known as normal lapse rate. Now, the uppermost edge of this layer is called tropopause, and beyond this, the temperature stops decreasing. The troposphere absorbs maximum heat and protects us from excessive heating throughout the day and maintains a certain temperature level at night. Stratosphere. It is the second layer which starts above the troposphere and it extends to a height of 50 km above the Earth's surface. The temperature does not drop with the height in this layer. Stratosphere contains ozone, which absorbs the ultraviolet radiation of the sun. And you know, the lower part of this layer provides ideal conditions for jet aircraft and balloons to fly, as it is free from clouds and weather phenomena. Now, these aeroplanes travel through this layer, which tells why clouds are seen below when one looks out of the window of a plane. Children, ozone layer is found in the lower part of the stratosphere, and here it is known as ozonosphere. Now, as you already know, ozone gas is very important for us, but chemical pollutants through the years have destroyed this layer, especially chlorofluorocarbons. A large hole has been noticed in the ozone layer over Antarctica. Children, we will talk about rest of the layers of the atmosphere in our next module. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.